Hey there! Today we're diving into the first step of a C diagnosis, a visual inspection. This quick visual check can save you a lot of time and effort. Our focus today is on visual leak detection in general component checks. First, let's look at the drive belt. It powers your AC compressor. We're looking for any signs of wear like cracks, fraying, or missing sections. Also, check for oil contamination. It can make the belt slip. Run your fingers along the pulley grooves and the bottom of the belt to feel for any embedded grit or stones. Now for tension. Press down on the belt halfway between the pulleys with moderate thumb pressure. A little give is normal, but if it's too loose, the belt won't turn the compressor properly. Always check the vehicle's service manual for the correct belt deflection testing and specs. If you've got a mechanical fan, you will need to check the fan clutch. A slipping belt will cause the fan to spin too slowly, which means not enough air is pulled through the condenser. Look at the back of the fan clutch for any oily film, which is a sign of a leak and means you need a replacement. Turn the fan by hand. It should have a noticeable, smooth drag, not be completely loose or stuck. If your vehicle has an electric cooling fan, have an assistant start the engine and turn on the AC. It should activate. Some vehicles have two fans, one for the AC and one for engine cooling, so watch for both. Next, let's trace the AC refrigerant hoses and lines. Inspect them and their fittings for any signs of damage or, most importantly, oil leakage. If you see oil, it's a huge red flag that refrigerant has likely leaked out too. Remember, engine vibrations can loosen these connections over time, so give them a good once-over. Now, let's move on to the heart of the system, the compressor. Look at the front of the compressor for any oil leaks. If you find one, it's a strong indicator of a leaking front compressor seal. Finally, let's check the electrical. Inspect the wiring to the compressor, blower motor, and dash switches if you haven't already. Make sure there's no visible damage and that all connections are clean and tight. Don't forget the electrical connections and vacuum hoses between the engine and the firewall. Last but not least, let's look at the condenser, which is usually located in front of the radiator. Inspect it for any debris like leaves, bugs, or dirt that could block airflow. Also, check for bent fins, which can restrict airflow. The condenser needs a clear path to dissipate heat. While you're there, check the cooling fan and its shroud for any broken or missing pieces.
And that's it for the basics. Remember, this is a visual check. The Ase G1 Automobile Light Truck Heating and Air Conditioning Certification covers more advanced leak detection methods that aren't part of this quick inspection. Thank you for watching and your continued support of ASE testing.